بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين
Okay, we're getting ready to leave. So this is what's on the dashboard. Double reverse rear view mirror. Tire pressure sensors, reversing the direction, dash cam, and we're ready to go. Today's Sunday, isn't it? So today's Sunday, and we're going to a palace with a red mosque built in 1793. So let's go there. It's about a 3-hour ride, and we'll see you on the way. See how much it is? This arm and a leg is about £2.20, £2.30. Let's do the water. A quick look inside the camper van. It is a bit cluttered at the moment. We're having a tea break. on a lay-by by the motorway. Okay, we've parked up at the, which I can't pronounce, Schwetzingen Palace, and see the Red Mosque. We've arrived at the Schwetzingen Palace, and the Red Mosque is behind the courtyard. So let's go and see the mosque. I think it's €9 to entry. Let's go and see it. Well, it's a pig's journey.
So from the
Okay, we got our tickets, €13 each, and we got the tour of the palace in German, but I think they're going to give us an English piece of paper. I'll see if I can read it out to you. Okay, and Bushra's card didn't work. It said incorrect pin, so we're going to have to check that as well.
I hope it was okay. So we
That was nice.
a little bit more than just.
No, it's and this is the palace's garden and grounds. Okay, this is the palace and the palace grounds. There we go. What do you think of the gardens?
It's lovely. The garden's lovely, and look at the trees and this hedge.
It's nicely kept, isn't it?
Yeah, nicely.
Okay, so we're on our way to that red mosque, and I think in German they call it mosque or something, but that's what he said. But anyway, let's go. I think it's that way. Well, tell me where it is again?
The mosque's here.
We are about there.
Yeah, about here.
Okay, let's go and see where that is. Okay, where's the mosque again?
Just here.
You're not supposed to do the posing. I can see it just about between the trees, the minaret.
Mosque is just there.
Okay. So we're at the mosque. We're going to see what is inside. Built in 1786, I think, something like that. And it wasn't a mosque to pray in. It was just like a monument built as a cultural tolerance, I believe. Whereas cultural tolerance should mean that we're allowed to pray, but no, it's not. Now, if you look on the internet about this red mosque, it says it's built as a folly, as in as entertainment, to show that they were tolerant of other cultures. So it's not a mosque to pray in, but it's just like, hey, we built a mosque. They've even got the half crescent moon on top of that. That's the entrance to the inverted comma mosque. Okay, a little walkabout, and then let's see. We're just in the mosque grounds, and just walking our way back to the gardens.
Yeah, that was a lovely mosque. I wish if we could pray here, but we are not allowed.
I don't think there was any place to pray, is this?
Yeah.
It's a made-up mosque, isn't it?
Yeah.
What about, did you see the kalma written there?
Yeah. Kalma written there, there's Quranic ayahs.
Turn right.
Qul Huwallahu Ahad, there was written. It was nice.
Well, here are the manicured gardens. Well, that's a view and a half, isn't it?
Is it nice?
From London,
From London?
and we're traveling a camper van, and we're heading to Turkey.
Oh, from Turkey. Oh, yeah. Do you like to go to Turkey or you come from Turkey?
We're going to Turkey.
Oh, you have a little
We've got camper.
distance.
Yeah, we've got a long way to go. This is our third stop.
A third stop.
Yeah.
You have to stay 2 or 3 days. And you are in the mosque.
Now, can you pronounce the name of this place?
The name is Schwetzingen. Sie sind in Schwetzingen, in der kurfürstlichen Residenz von Karl Theodor.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about that red mosque.
Please?
The red mosque. Mosque.
The mosque. This is an architect garden. This is not a really mosque for the Muslim. This is a mosque built in the Rococo time. This means it has not the style of the really mosque.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Okay. It's just like they built a monument for themselves.
For themselves and also for the liberality of all people. Yes.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
My name's Tariq. And
hello,
this is,
Tariq.
and this is Bushra.
Hello, Bushra.
And you are.
We are Susie and Willie.
Thank you very much for talking to us about the palace.
Yes,
That's very
you're
nice.
very, very
Thank
welcome.
You. Thank you.
Yes.
That's what makes the video, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now this is a little market here, so we see what's happening here. I think it's vegetable stall, isn't it? This is the scene of the village, so we're just walking through the village. So, Bushra, what do you think of the nice couple?
Oh, they were nice. They have a chat with us. And they said they will come here.
parked up here for the night. Halfway to Nuremberg now.